There's a funny thing about life, you know. People never realize the value of something until it's gone. They walk away thinking the world is full of greener pastures, more glittering distractions, brighter stars. But when they leave you, thinking you were just another option, what they don't realize is that you weren't the option at all. You were the choice, the real deal. But they thought they could trade you in, swap you out, like a mere object. And now they're stuck with your replacement. Ah, the replacement. The poor soul they dragged into your shadow, hoping to fill the gaping hole you left behind. But here's the thing about shadows, my friends, they're impossible to fill. No matter how hard they try, no matter how much effort they put into pretending everything's okay, they can't replace the one thing that was truly irreplaceable you. Your replacement, hired to play a role they're unfit for, stumbling through life trying desperately to be you.